Yes, children, again we are here with the question number 4 of 13.1 of class 9. I think you have listened all the previous videos and it was clear to you. And if it is clear, then you can come to this video and listen properly. And we are substituting only the values to the particular equation. What we have studied for curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh and total surface area is 2 pi rh, 2 pi r into r plus h. And the total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL that we have discussed in 13.1. And here what should we do? Listen properly. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. And here our aim is to find the area of a playground. We have to find the area of playground. If it is playground, we should find the region enclosed by this boundary. It is our aim. We have to find what area is the region enclosed by this boundary. And for that, they didn't give any length and breadth. If there is length and breadth, we can find that area by length into breadth. But here, there is no length and breadth of playground given. But they have given by 500 revolution of a roller, it will level once the ground. That means, if there is a roller, if this roller revolute 500 times, then the whole area will be covered or the whole region will be covered. It is the hint to find the area of the playground given here. What is the hint here? If this roller revolute or if that roller takes the 500 revolution, by 500 revolution of the given roller, the whole region will be covered, 500 revolution. So, by this hint, how can we find the area of the playground? For that we should find for one revolution how much area will be covered by this roller. First of all, we should find by one revolution how much area will be covered. If we get that particular area, the area covered in one revolution. If we get area covered in one revolution, if we get area covered in one revolution, how can we find area covered in 500 revolution? That means area covered in one revolution into 500. That will be the area covered in 500 revolution. That will be the total area of the playground. Did you understand all? To find the total area of playground, we have the hint that if a roller takes 500 revolution, the whole area will be covered. And we don't know that unit area. We don't know that area which covered in one revolution. That is a unit area that we are considering here. If we know the unit area, then it is easy to find the area in 500 revolution. How can you find? If we know the area in one revolution, that we can take it as the unit revolution. If we know the unit revolution, how can we find the area in 500 revolution? That is that one revolution into 500, area by one revolution into 500 will be the total area or area covered in 500 revolution. Did you understand? Okay, that we could understand. Then how can you find the area which covered in one revolution? In one revolution means the roller takes the whole portion of its curved surface. That means if it is the roller, one revolution means it takes this the whole curved surface portion of this cylinder, curved surface portion of this roller. Roller is in cylinder position. That means in one revolution, it covers one curved surface area. Did you understand? That means the area which covered in one revolution will be equal to the curved surface area of the roller. The area covered in one revolution will be equal to the curved surface area of the roller, and roller is in cylindrical shape. So, to get that CSA, what equation can we use? We can use 2 pi r h, and here h given, what is h? H is 120 centimeter, and given diameter is 84 centimeter. So, we can find radius, half of the diameter is radius, and after getting this revolution you should change it in meter, that we know how to change the centimeter into meter. Okay, shall we start to do? Did you understand the process that we should go through? Yes, if you could understand, then please. First we should write the given hints. Radius equal to diameter by 2, that is 84 by 2, that is 42 centimeter. So, radius 42 centimeter, and height is equal to 120 centimeter. Height is equal to 120 centimeter. We told that area covered in one revolution equals CSA of roller, that is 2 pi RH, that we can write 2 into 22 upon 7 into 42 into 120. Okay, do calculation of this, that is 31680 centimeter square. You will get answer like this, 31680 centimeter square. You should change the centimeter square into meter square. How can you do? That is 31680 is centimeter square. So, there will be 2 centimeter. That means you should multiply with this number, that is, sorry, divided by this one. Then you are getting 3.168 meter square. So, by one revolution it can move 3 meters, 3.168 meters. So, area covered in 500 revolution, that will be the total area. So, total area equal to area covered in 500 revolutions, that is 500 into 3.168 meter square. What is answer? 5 point into 300. It is the area of the playground. Do you understand? Okay.